GLBO. While sailing on the ocean, while sailing on the sea, I bumped into the Savior and he said, "Pardon me." I said, "Jesus, you look tired." I said, "Jesus, so do you. So sit down, son, cause I have some fat to chew." Welcome back to my channel. It's a year ago when I made the last video in front of this background. And yeah, this is just a video to keep you updated what happened the last year and what's going on. So yeah, last year when I did the last video, I just rented this, no, I bought this flat. And then it was getting winter and I joined an association building little boats with refugees to help them to integrate into the society and learn a little bit of German. So it was yeah, a nice project. I'm still in the association and doing things. But yeah, I was anxious and looking for another boat, so I drove around looking at boats and was about to buy one, and then finally I didn't, because a friend of mine, a sailor too, when he crossed the Atlantic again on the way back to Europe, he came through the Azores and fell in love with one of the islands, Flores, and always wanted me to come to visit him, and I said, yeah, I will when I can buy with my sailboat, but then I sold it last year in the States. So I decided to go visit him just to see the island. And he said, yeah, you would do me a favor if you stay a little bit longer, maybe 2 months, because my wife is pregnant and we're going to Barcelona for the birth, and you can look after my house and the garden and the cats and the chickens and everything. I said, yeah, cool, that's cool. So I can check the island a little bit out, and at least it was 4 months I've been there. And I fell in love with this beautiful island because it's unbelievable that the island like this still exists, and although it's in Europe. So yeah, I bought a little land there and decided to move there and yeah, build a little workshop again, like I had in Mallorca, another island. So and so I sold the flat again. So this is the last video in front of this background because it's only 2 weeks, then I have to move out. And I bought a van and put all my things up and pack it up, and then drive down to Lisboa, and then put the van on a container ship and bring it to Flores. So for the next month, winter, I will be in Flores and mounting my workshop, and but it's not the end of my traveling for sure, because always in the winter time I will go traveling, and I was already looking for a new ship, maybe in the States, and finish the loop. Yeah, I'm going to finish it someday, but for now, first to make my new home in Flores. But in the meantime, I bought a Ford F100 truck from 1966 here in Germany, and I'm going to bring it to Flores too. Yeah, it's the plan at least. For now, it stays here because yeah, I have to get things done first in Flores, and then. But so I don't miss the States too much. So yeah, this is what's going on. In Flores, we've been sailing with the old whaling boats, the original whaling boats. I'm in the Sailing Association, so sailing goes on. Really nice, really fast boats. And yeah, this is the news. Yeah, other thing is that I didn't make a video in the last time because I'm going with the time. Everybody says, yeah, YouTube is already a little bit out. So I have now an Instagram account. It's called Ray Banjo. And so if you want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make another video. I think if I'm going to make another video here in the video logbook, then when the loop is going on. So follow me meanwhile in the Instagram. And yeah, what's about the banjo? Yeah, see, still have the piss, guys. Yeah, this is the banjo I love the most of all the banjos I played so far, because it's so versatile. You can do a lot of styles on it. Three finger picking and the claw hammer style, and then I do things like on the guitar, like, and yeah, makes a lot of fun. I'm playing in jam session in Flores too, so playing with people here together, so you can see on my Instagram account. Yeah, that's it for now. See you somewhere, maybe offshore again. Bye bye. Yeah, and Bernd Gassman is still building my banjo. So, or maybe make another video when the banjo is ready, because yeah, if YouTube still exists, then bye.